Neville Goddard once said, "If you would assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled more frequently, you would be master of your fate." Known for his belief in the power of assumption and imagination, this quote encapsulates his life's work. You've likely heard of concepts like the law of assumption and the power of manifestation, but if you're here, you probably have some questions. Have you ever pondered the existence of a force so potent it could transform your desire into reality? Is the law of assumption a profound truth or merely a whimsical notion? Today, let's embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries of this compelling concept. This law challenges us to question our preconceived notions about manifestation and invites us to explore the boundless power within our minds. To understand the law of assumption, we must acknowledge the luminary figure who paved the way, Neville Goddard. Born in Barbados in 1905, he was not just a mystic, but a trailblazer in the realm of manifestation. His teachings, rooted in mystical interpretations of biblical concepts, resonated with seekers of truth worldwide. Neville fervently believed in the creative power of the imagination, often stating, "Assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled." Central to Neville's teachings was the idea that our imaginative capacity shapes our experiences. He emphasized that by assuming the feeling of having our desires fulfilled, we align with the energy needed for manifestation. Imagine what it would feel like to have that money, job, relationship, or dream vacation. Feel that reality, hold on to it, and act in line with it. Assume that reality and watch as the rest falls into place. Neville encouraged living in the end result of our desires. By mentally residing in the state of having already achieved our goals, we alter our consciousness and attract corresponding experiences. He also advocated for using inner conversations and mental scripting to influence our external reality. By consciously directing our thoughts and inner dialogues, we script the story of our lives. Neville believed in the power of revising past events through imagination. By reimagining and revising past experiences, we alter their impact on our present and future. This concept remains centered on the law of assumption, which states that our assumptions, beliefs, and feelings mold our reality. Now that you've gained some insight from Neville Goddard's wisdom, let's dive into the core of this exploration, the law of assumption. At its root, this law is about recognizing that our assumptions, beliefs, and feelings shape our reality. It's about living from the end result, not merely wishing for it. You must assume the feeling or reality you desire, and somehow it will find its way to you. Begin by clearly defining what you desire. Specificity enhances the power of your assumptions. Write these desires down, whether in a journal, a to-do list, mind map, or vision board. When you articulate your goals, you give them form and substance, making it easier for your subconscious mind to work on them. Create positive present tense affirmations that reflect the fulfillment of your desires. For example, instead of saying, "I will be successful," affirm, "I am successful and fulfilled in my career." Crafting affirmations in the present tense helps convince your subconscious mind that these desires are already a reality, which in turn aligns your actions and mindset towards achieving them. Engage in regular visualization sessions. Close your eyes and vividly imagine scenes where your desires have already manifested. Experience these visualizations from a first-person perspective, seeing the world through your own eyes. This immersive experience helps make your desires feel real and attainable, reinforcing your belief in their manifestation. Feel the emotions associated with the fulfillment of your desires. The more genuine and intense the emotions, the more effective the assumption. Emotions are the vibrational language that communicates with the universe. By deeply feeling the joy, satisfaction, and peace that come with realizing your desires, you attract these outcomes into your reality. Act as if your desires have already been fulfilled. Make choices and decisions based on the assumption that your desired reality is your current reality. This means embodying the mindset, behaviors, and actions of the person you wish to become, which helps bridge the gap between your current state and your desired state. Consistency is crucial. Repeat your affirmations and engage in visualizations regularly. Consistent reinforcement strengthens the neural pathways associated with your assumptions. By making these practices a daily habit, you solidify your beliefs and maintain a steady focus on your goals, making it more likely for them to manifest. Let go of attachment to specific ways or means through which your desires will manifest. Trust the universe to bring about the fulfillment of your assumptions in ways that may surpass your current understanding. This detachment allows for flexibility and openness to unexpected opportunities and paths to your goals. It's natural to harbor doubts about a principle as transformative as the law of assumption. Persistence in assumption acts as a steady beacon, guiding you through challenges. Patience is the companion of persistence. Remember that manifestation is a journey, and staying committed to your beliefs despite external circumstances is key to realizing your desires.